You call me out upon the waters, the great unknown, where feet may fail.
B, do you remember when we used to call each other Bana and Asawa back when we were just Barkada? Look at us now, how far we've come.
My faith will stand.
Hello, B. My unexpected love and yet my answered prayers. Dali ra sa panahon sa una kay tigsugod ra ko nimo sa imong naibgan. Maka-remember pa ko kung unsa kumakaiw sa imo kung isugod ka nila sa kuha. Kay bati kay kag now. Dili kaya yung now before and unexpected ra kayo ang tanan pero nauli Japon sa puting nga ako gisuot today.
We never imagined that we end up together. We shared similar dreams and desires. I took a chance and courted you, and without hesitation, you agreed on October 21, 2019.
Thankful kayo ko sa atong buhay nga Diyos kay ikaw ang gihatag sa ako kay grabe kayo kataas ni pasensya sa ako. Pagkamuti. Recently lang sa ako na-realize na you are my answered prayer. Lumakilak ka.
So I will call upon you.
There was a time when I returned to Mount Zion Church and I wanted to invite you. You didn't hesitate to join me. I wasn't concerned if you'd convert or not because I respected your decision. Then came the youth camp in May 2022 where you felt the presence of God. The following week, you decided to be baptized. And on that day, I said to myself that, Lord, this is the one that I'll marry. And here we are today about to be married. And I love you so much.
Kaya sa una, pag-high school na ako nga, sige ko, gampo ko na Ginoo nga, Lord, unta ka na, gitaris akong uyab, kay ka na ako, makadunong gitar. Pero di siya ko kabalan, personally, di ko kabalan to drone. And also, ganahan siya kong bright, kung puti, kay lagumang ko, ganahan siya kong puti. And with a cross finger, panana akong pag-pray ha, sana nga simbahan nga akong ginatuan kay na mo, dinapper me ako i-pray. And labas sa tanan nga, kaya ako ginampo nga, kaparehas akong papagbatasan. But look at now na, sa akong matubangan, sa akong pag-ampo, plus pagkapin pa ka, engineer ka, bakit ka ay I choose you and I choose you over and over. Without pause, without doubt, and heartbeat. I keep choosing you. I love you, B.
Keep my eyes above the waves. My soul will rest in your